The biggest telltale sign of an incel is his mouth-breathing chin. It shows that you're lazy and you probably don't know how to take care of yourself. Besides, women can tell exactly what you're insecure about. So here's how to fix your facial structure and get that sharp Giga Chad jawline. Tip 1. Mewing. Okay, mewing isn't something that needs an introduction or even an explanation, but I'll still do it in case you've been living under a rock. Basically, it involves keeping your tongue in a flat position against the roof of your mouth most of the time, and keeping it like that. This posture puts pressure on your jaw, influencing its growth and shaping a sharper jawline over time. If you want to go one step ahead, apply as much pressure as you can, and you'll have mastered hard mewing. Honestly, some people say it works wonders, and some say it doesn't do much. But the thing is, this is a completely free of cost exercise. So really, the risk-reward ratio works in your favor. Tip 2. Facial exercise. Like the rest of your body, your jaw needs exercise too. By engaging your muscles, you'll reduce the amount of fat in your face and give it more definition overall. Besides, research says that most people's frontal neck muscles are underdeveloped because who focuses on this muscle anyway? Well, my friend, you will focus on them now. Try out neck curl-ups right now. Here's what you have to do. First, lie flat on your back and press your tongue up against the roof of your mouth. This will help you keep your neck aligned. Next, slowly bring your chin down towards your chest and lift your head a few inches off the ground. Then, lower your head and back down slowly, feeling that stretch in your neck. Do this for a solid few minutes, and you'll start seeing a difference really soon. Just like neck curl-ups, start doing vowel exercises that target the muscles around your mouth. You should also try out collarbone backups to keep the muscles under your chin tight. Tip 3. Learn to sit and breathe right. Your chin is connected to your neck, obviously. But the way you sit, look at a screen, and even stand affects your spin, which has an effect on the muscles in your face. Your head is like a bowling ball, and when you slouch, you're pushing your chin forward while putting insane strain on your spine. Your proper posture should include your head perfectly aligned with your body's center line. You can do a wall check, but standing against a wall with your heels together and shoulders pressed back. This should be ideal posture, so try to keep it like that even when you're not leaning against a wall. Another way you're ruining your jaw is by mouth breathing. We're built to breathe through our noses. It's fine if you breathe through your mouth if you have the flu, but otherwise, it can seriously harm you. Basically, when you breathe through your nose, your tongue rests comfortably on the roof of your mouth. This position helps promote proper jaw growth and structure. And when you breathe through your mouth, your tongue hangs low, and over time, you could develop a super narrow upper jaw and a recessed lower jaw. A recipe for disaster, so quit doing that. Tip 4. Lose weight. Other methods take some time to show, and it's not always so prominent too, but losing weight is a hyper-effective way to get the chiseled look that you want. It's simple science. When you're overweight, your body packs on a ton of fat in every spot available. Now, the spots in which fat accumulates totally depend on your genetics. Luckily, you don't need to win the genetics lottery to fix your face. When you lose weight overall, the fat will melt right off your face. It won't happen overnight, but trust the process. Stick to a clean diet, hit the gym, or just do some bodyweight workouts at home. That jawline will thank you later. Plus, the health benefits of shedding some pounds are a win-win. Tip 5. Eat less salt. You are what you eat, and that's because it shows right on your face. Too much dairy and you start getting acne. And too much salt and your face gets chubby. Salt basically makes your body hold on to more water. That's why when you're sick, it's recommended that you drink electrolytes. Your body needs some sodium to function, but too much acts like a magnet, attracting and holding onto water in your cells and bloodstream. All that extra water floating around makes you feel puffy and can mask your jawline definition. It's like inflating a bunch of little water balloons around your face, hiding the sharper features underneath. Now, this isn't about going full-on bland with your food. Just be mindful of your intake. Ditch the processed stuff, go easy on the salt shaker, and you're good to go. Trust me, the effects of this will be almost immediate. Tip 6. Try gua sha and rollers. Gua sha is a Chinese technique that has made a comeback because of how effective it is. Basically, you get a hard stone tool, apply some oil to your face, and scrape gently. The tool has a small dip that perfectly fits your jawbone, and by massaging with it, you improve circulation and reduce puffiness and fluid buildup. Gua sha comes with a few tools, one of them being face rollers made of jade. The material has a cooling effect and enhances your lymphatic drainage, which ultimately helps to chisel your face. Just remember, all these tips take time to show effect. So, the most important factors are determination and consistency. Appreciate you tuning in. Remember, life's an adventure, so let's keep exploring together. Don't miss out on our next escapade. Hit that subscribe button and join the journey. Until then, stay curious.